What up, everybody? So today we're doing something different. It's a new box or bag, as you want to say it, because I do get the Ipsy Glam bag, which is 5 deluxe sample to full-size products in the bag. Well, this one is the Ice Cream Beauty bag. It's $12. You get 3 to 5 products. I think they're all full-size, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't look up the... Oh, my foot's falling asleep. I didn't look it up. Maybe I should, right? Let me look at it. Ice Cream Beauty. Ice Cream Beauty. Okay, so Ice Cream Beauty bag is $12.50 a month. Shipping calculated separately. 3 to 5 full-size items per bag. Average retail value of $65. So I think that's... My bag came out to $15 after taxes and stuff. And it comes in this. This nice bag is like a marble. Let's pull out and see how many products we got. I think I got 4. Oh, and it comes with a little card that tells us prices and stuff. Yay. I wish more people would do that. Okay, first up, this is Must Be Cindy by Bella Babella. Not Declining Lip Kit. Oh, lip kit. I've never heard of this brand. That's another thing about Ice Cream Beauty. I've done it 2 months in a row right now because I see all my favorite YouTubers that unbox it, and they get amazing products, and it's all makeup basically. There's some skin here and there, but it's mostly makeup. And with like Ipsy and stuff, I like getting skincare and makeup. So to have a subscription that is just makeup, and you know me, I'm on this journey of learning how to do makeup and just having fun playing with makeup. I want more makeup. So I was like, why not just try the Ice Cream Beauty box? And so far, I've been a fan. The palette I got is it this month or last month? I'm not sure, but the video I have on it, the palette's so nice. I'm gonna use it in my next session that I do of first time makeup user. Damn, this is a big box. Oh, and what I have on my lips is a lip stain by Tear, Cassis Plum. It's amazing. It's amazing. Alright, so it comes with a lip. Is this a lip gloss or liquid lip? No, gloss. And it's like a peach. It's a peachy peach. And let's see the liner. Oh, the liner's nice and creamy. These are just tear stains. Sorry, they're lip stains. But here's this swatched. It's very pretty. And it's so creamy. Like, it glided on my hand like nothing. If I didn't have a stain on my lips, I would try it. But I had a stain, so it's not really gonna show anything. Alright, next up, something that's not very exciting. Beauty Creations Skin Makeup Remover Wipes Hydrating Watermelon. So, I don't wash my face with makeup wipes. I use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil and then a regular. But since I started doing this journey of influencer and playing with makeup and swatching makeup, it's very good to have these handy. I have the Neutrogena ones, and then I just bought the Face Shop ones, the brightening ones, but these are actually supposed to be good to take off your makeup with. So I'm gonna try that one for the makeup remover, but my Neutrogena ones I use to clean my swatches and stuff. And I'm gonna have to read into this to see what the ingredients are, to see if they compare to the Neutrogena or the Face Shop ones. Alright, so we got lip kit. That next up, these are the Beauty Creations Barely Blushing Oh Sweet Cheeks Passion Pink and Coral Flush. This is what they look like. Everything ought to be sealed. Just rip everything. Get it open. Get it open. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks like their component of this. That's what it looks like. See the color. These lip stains on my hand, man. Ooh, this is orange. Like orange, like neon orange. I don't know if that's my jam, but I'll try it. You know me, I'm trying everything that I get in subscription boxes, and I've tried a freaking purple blush, a red blush, and I actually enjoyed those. So these I would take a look. How do I? There we go. They're both kind of orangey. One's a little deeper than the other, but they're very pretty. Let's see if they blend out good, because you know that's the test. They blended it out real good, actually. And they feel buttery soft. buttery soft. No patchiness, no nothing. I actually might like that blush. I might actually like that. Oh, now I'm excited to use it. And in the Ice Cream Beauty box, the big box, that's I think it's $29.99 now. You always get a palette. But I didn't know if you got a palette in the bag, because I've watched other people, you know, open their bags, and sometimes they have a palette, sometimes they don't. But we get a palette. This is the Evex and Beauty Creations. We got a lot of beauty colorations today. Oh, this is pretty. It's like you can dig your finger in it and it'll dent. Oh, this is so nice. The back says made me do it. Evex. Alright, Yvettex. My name is Yvette, my middle name. Ooh, that's pretty. That purple. Ooh, let's swatch. I just stuck my finger in some shimmers. I like swatching the shimmers to see how pigmented they are. They look nice. Do they swatch nice? They swatch pretty damn good. They're so pigmented. So pigmented. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I want to swatch the purple. Because I can do, in this up here, I can do these two in my crease and then deepen it up with that. Yeah. Now I'm excited. The rest of it's just a neutral palette. But at least it has some pop of color. Ooh, look at that purple. Look at that purple. Insane. Look at that. Oh, I swatched horribly, but the colors are out of this world. And it comes with a nice mirror. Oh, I like this palette. I'll even try this yellow one up in this corner with this row here. Not with the pink, but with the other mustard here. And then use like a darker brown down here to deepen it. Oh, I can see 3-4 looks right now with this palette. I'm friggin' stoked. Yay! Go Ice Cream Beauty. Go Ice Cream Beauty. Like, this was a good bag. This was a real good bag. And for $12.50, well, it's like 15 to be exact. You get, yeah, I only got 4 items, right? 5 because I got the lip liner and lip gloss dual. But Ipsy, I pay $16 a month. I get 5 deluxe sample. Deluxe sample. So it's not full size. Once in a blue, they'll throw in a full size product. But here, it's 3 to 5 products and all of it's full size. All of it. Like, I got a whole eyeshadow palette. Are you insane? That makes me want to not sign up for the glam bag and just keep my box and get this bag instead. Because even if that palette wasn't in there, I still got 2 blushes and a lip liner and a lip gloss and some wipes. Like, you can't go wrong with that. Like, this price, insane. She is a magician because this was fantastic. My first bag ever and I'm blown away. So let's get some prices. It says Ice Cream Beauty bag for February. Beauty Creations Yvette XO palette is $25. Beauty Creation blushing duals $10. Beauty Creations makeup remover wipes are $5. And Babella Cosmetics Must Be Cindy lipstick is $12. So with the palette alone, she could have just thrown the palette in and we would have been happy. But we get 2 sets of products with 2 products in it. So instead of getting only 4 products, we actually get 6. Because we have 2 blushes and a lip gloss and a lip liner. Like, dude, this bag, I've seen other people open the bag and I'm like, yeah, it looks okay, but I don't know. But since I started this journey of wanting to open up boxes and just have fun, play with makeup, just to have fun. Because my life is not fun. My life is it's a battle. And when it comes to my health. So the little time that I take to do these videos or play with makeup, it brings my spirits up. My husband has noticed that. He's like, after you finish recording, you got like a brighter attitude. When you finish your makeup, you look so happy because you did such a good job. So opening these boxes means a lot to me. It might be something simple for someone else, but not for me. It means a lot. But anyways, this bag is phenomenal. I recommend it 10 toes down, 10 fingers up, hands down, recommend it. Because even if you got 3 products, you still would have got 2 and 2 in 2 packaging, so that would have been 4 products, 5 products out of the 2. So I don't know, this bag, I hope it continues like this, because if it continues like this, oh, I'm gonna be in heaven. And then the eyeshadow palette is freaking phenomenal. Like, I'm looking at these swatches and they swatch so well. Like, pigmented, no patchiness. The blush, I blushed out and it's not patchy or glittery, or I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. But that's all I have for you today. If you can comment, like, subscribe, share my video, that would mean a lot to me. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day, because today was a good day for me. I needed to take more medication than normal because of my pain, but other than that, it's been a good day. It really has been a good day. And if you had a good day, give me a heart down below in the comments to let me know you had a good day. And if you didn't, put a broken heart so I know and I can send you some love your way. So again, please subscribe to my channel. It means the world. I'm trying to get to at least 100 followers. You know, it's not in the hundreds, not a lot, but for me it is. It means a lot to get to that 100. So if you can please subscribe, that would mean a lot. But that's all I have for you today. Bye.